Just 7 ingredients and 25 minutes are all you need for the best cauliflower soup you'll ever eat. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. My creamy cauliflower soup with cheddar is rich, thick and luxurious, and it's really easy to make too. We're going to start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large saucepan over a medium heat. Now you want to dice 2 large onions. They don't need to be diced too finely. Add the onions to the pan and fry gently for 4 to 5 minutes until they start to go translucent. Next in goes the cauliflower. I've got 3 regular heads of cauliflower here that have been chopped into florets. That comes to about 1.8 kilograms or a little under 4 pounds when chopped up. Now pour over 1.2 litres or 5 cups of hot vegetable or chicken stock. For the seasoning, at this stage, I'm going to add in 3/4 teaspoon of garlic salt, and that'll give the soup just a hint of garlicky flavour, which works really well. Now, stir everything together, bring it to the boil and simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the pan off the heat and blitz using a hand blender. You want to get a nice, smooth consistency. Put the soup back on the heat and add in 250 grams, which is about 2.5 packed cups of mature or strong grated cheddar cheese. Then pour in 180 ml or 2/3 cup of double or heavy cream. Stir until the cheese has melted. Season with salt and pepper, and then you're ready to serve. Ladle the soup into bowls and then serve with a sprinkling of cheese and black pepper and a few freshly chopped chives. And that's my creamy cauliflower soup, ready in 25 minutes. The perfect comforting dinner on a cold day with a lovely wedge of fresh bread. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of new recipes every week. See you next time.